What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is of course LL here, and today I'm going to be talking about Polygon liquid staking. Previously I did a Polygon staking tutorial which actually got quite a lot of views. Now the problem with the traditional staking of Polygon, it actually happens on the Ethereum side. So there's a lot of gas fees involved, and obviously a lot of people want to claim their staking rewards now and then. So sometimes the gas fee can be actually higher than the staking rewards, and that is why you definitely want to look into the option of actually participating on liquid staking, which actually happens on Polygon side instead of Ethereum. And this service is provided by Stader, which we talked about not too long ago with HBAR. And currently you are able to basically stake your Matic in a liquid form. So when you basically stake out your Matic, you are going to be getting a pegged token, which is called Matic X. And basically, if I'm going to be providing 20 Matic here, I'm going to be getting 19.84 Matic X. And the first thing you obviously need to do here is going into your MetaMask, make sure you're on the Matic Polygon mainnet, and you automatically basically log into the website. We can disconnect here and show how it's done. I have read the blah 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 MetaMask, and there we go. And putting that amount you want to actually stake here, clicking stake. Then we're going to be approving the transaction, making sure that the gas is actually correct here. Matic tends to sometimes put it out way too low than the current fees are. So make sure you have actually enough. And now we have actually provided, and we are getting actually now Matic X. You can also unstake, which will be happening when Polygon will be supporting that. Meanwhile, you can basically use Matic X to swap it back to Matic on QuickSwap. Now here's also the claiming thing. So claiming on Polygon will be happening in the future. So this is, once again, kind of like with the Hedera product. It is not actually like fully launched yet. And this has also been audited. In case you're very interested, you can read the Halborns and Immune Bytes audit. Audits are very important when we are interacting with important smart contracts like these. The APY is currently 8.53%. Now one of the, and here we can basically see the Matic X. You can add it to your MetaMask, add token, going back to the MetaMask, assets, and got so many of, there we go. So we're able to see the Matic X also on MetaMask. Now they also have actually a couple of DeFi yield farming opportunities here. So you can provide liquidity into Matic X and Matic Pool with 37% APY on QuickSwap, and then 64% on Balancer. So something you definitely want to look into if you're familiar with these products beforehand. Now this also can be done on the Ethereum side, but obviously why would you? Well, I mean, you can definitely do it, but the fact of the matter is there's going to be a lot more fees involved with the Ethereum side of things. And also, if you really want to do Ethereum side, you also have other options for liquid staking. So liquid staking, in case it isn't clear enough, liquid basically means that you are getting a peg token which you can maybe move around and obviously participate on DeFi. So it's a really good system. Now, you also can do this on Lido. Lido, once again, it is not happening on Polygon side of things. This actually happens on Ethereum, and you will be getting Stake Matic. I don't know the liquidity and the yield opportunities for it, but obviously the APY is basically around the same with Lido. And also you have the option to go with Anchor, which also happens on the Ethereum side of things, which by the way also supports Ethereum staking. They also have BNB, AVAX, Phantom, and soon Kusama and Polkadot. And it's a pretty straightforward process. You basically approve the token, and then you can basically start staking. It seems that with Anchor, I haven't tried Anchor myself, so they have a different type of a system, two different options here. But you want to definitely look into those more later. Now, if you want to look into the traditional staking of Polygon, obviously you can find the old video in the corner. But this is definitely, in my opinion, a lot better option. Obviously, I would argue it has more risk, even though the contract is audited. But then again, the fact of the matter is it gives you a bit higher yield, and there's also no gas fees involved when you're basically involving with, you know, Polygon-based transactions and stuff inside, instead of doing it on the Ethereum side. Now, far as I know, Stader is the only Polygon liquid staking that is available right now. There's obviously no normal staking in Polygon to this date. I don't know why they don't want to do it. It's dumbass to me, but I'm not the head of Polygon, so whatever. But Stader is a great option. I am using, you know, it here with Polygon, and also obviously using it with HBAR as of right now. I like projects which are audited, and obviously I think they have some type of very close partnership also with the main team. But thanks for watching. As always, in case you're looking for other tutorials, you can find plenty in my channel. I also do recommend, in case there's a guide you haven't seen on the channel before, something specific you want to learn, I'm always taking open suggestions. So leave comments down below in case you want to see another type of tutorial in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll be seeing you next time.